Tell Eric, everybody across the country that all our Februaries like this, more people would move here.
Yeah, come on in. It's always in the 50s around here, even some 60s. The tulips are blooming in February. Well, we're not into the tulips, so we do have the crocus out there because it has been a very warm February. Today, another one, well up into the 50s this afternoon, just on a long streak of days of warmer than average temperatures. And what we've seen recently is basically the yin to the yang of what we saw in early January, where it was so cold to start the month, and now we've seen exceptionally warm air here in this month. In fact, after today's numbers are in and finished, and tomorrow's easily the warmest February on record in the Boston area. But tonight, very mild. We're in the 40s. It's even warmer still off to the west. That's tomorrow's air, so we're going to end the month on an extremely mild note, spring-like weather. So tonight's temperature is holding in the 30s, just a few passing clouds and a southwest breeze, and then tomorrow we warm right up. By mid-morning, we're looking at temps in the upper 40s and then upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. There will be a pretty frisky breeze out of the southwest tomorrow, so it'll make it feel a touch cooler, but near 60 in many towns. So a very spring-like feel. That's basically mid-April weather. Then we get to our developing storm system. Now, Thursday, we'll have a little more cloud cover, but we still see highs in the 50s. Not bad. Late Thursday night, that's where we see the storm system move in, and then on Friday, we get the brunt of it. And this looks like a very potent storm system. The biggest questions, the highest uncertainty we still have with this storm is how much precipitation will we get out of this? How much rain? How much wet snow? The coastal impacts look pretty set in stone, and that is some strong winds, flooding, and a lot of beach erosion potential. So late Thursday night, that's where the winds start to pick up out of the northeast. They'll be strong throughout the day on Friday. Some gusts over 50 miles per hour at the coastline and some over 70 will be possible across Cape Cod and the islands. Those strong winds will come down a little bit, but they'll stay with us on Saturday and into Sunday, especially at the shore. And because we have this large, sprawling ocean storm that's not moving very fast, those wave heights are really going to build on Friday. There's going to be 20-footers just offshore. They'll be with us through Saturday. They'll be with us into Sunday. And so all that wave action in the wind can lead to quite a bit of erosion, especially because we already have high water levels, and that water won't be able to move out all that much over the course of a couple of days. So we'll be watching all the high tides through Friday and Saturday, and potentially even into Sunday, with all these high tide cycles affected by the onshore wind and high water marks. We have that full moon later on this week, so it's a setup that's similar to early January, but this storm's moving a lot slower. That January storm was 1 high tide cycle. This may be 4. So if you're near the coast, prepare for at least moderate flooding with a chance of major coastal flooding, also some of those erosion concerns and some strong winds. When it comes to snow, we're right on the edge. Temperatures are on the border of allowing snowfall. I think the best chance of seeing some significant accumulation of wet snow is across the Berkshires, southern Vermont, and western Connecticut right now. There's a chance it will flip over across central Massachusetts and the Monadnocks. The coast should stay mainly rainfall with this one. So here's a look at the 7-day. After it departs, windy, chilly Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with highs near 40. But, you know, David and Paula, 40 is the average high this time of year. So back to normal.
Back to normal, but feels pretty good. Eric, thanks so much.